So how to find the perfect staff? Well, there's no such thing, right? Hire staff fast and fire staff faster. I want to give you guys some deep AGM agency confidential information. We have a company motto that it is FIO. Take a wild guess. FIO. All right. That is the company motto that I formed as I got frustrated with staff that told me that they couldn't get something done. I'm talking about people that were with me from the beginning. I said, you got to get that done. And they said, I don't know how to do it. I can't get it done. It's not possible. It's too difficult. It doesn't exist. You know what I did? I created a motto, figure it out. That is my number one belief in this company. I want people that can figure things out. I don't want complainers. I want people to tell me that things are not possible, that they cannot be done, the technology is not there yet. I don't want any of that. What I used to do, guys, just so you know how I operated, instead of getting frustrated and upset at people and firing them, what I did was I said, okay, you say it cannot be done. So you're telling me that I cannot redirect the ClickFunnels page directly into Messenger without them having to click anything else. So you're saying to me, you cannot get that done. That's not possible, right? Okay, fine. All right, good. So then I just went into my computer and I got it done myself. And I recorded my screen and I said, I figured it out. Go ahead and learn it. Make sure you implement it from now on. And keep that in mind. If you tell me you cannot get something done, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to do it myself. And I'm going to prove you wrong. And you're going to feel bad. And you're going to have a nightmare about it. And now I'm going to start hunting you down because you gave me a stop to it. All right. Figure it out. And again, I do it all in a fun way. People stick around with me. They love working with me. I never try to like tear into pieces and make them feel like bad about themselves. But figure it out is a real thing, guys. So you want to bring people in and say, hey, I want you to figure out how to do this and let them go and learn it. We live on the information age. You want to find out about something, just go ahead and just search for it. YouTube it, go to a website, go to Google, find out, and then just get it done, all right? All of it can be figured out today. There are no barriers in this new communication information era. Positive can-do attitude, that is a must, all right? Must be experienced at effective communication and fostering teamwork. Like I can tell you that, again, in some areas, right, you're going to build this out of someone. I have some people, like I had one of my top editors, his name is JC. He's from the Philippines. When he was trying to get hired at EGM, he said, look, I don't speak in English. And I'm like, okay, good. I'm going to find out if you can get your work done. Some of the most incredible artistic work made in this company is made by him. To tell you how important it is, if I don't give this guy a chance because he doesn't speak enough English, I never discovered that hidden talent. So you got to be willing to give people a chance and let them prove themselves and just try to see if they have something in them, all right? Comfortable working in a dynamic, time-sensitive environment with numerous competing priorities. Facebook ad managers, 6 months minimum, hands-on e-commerce marketing experience, including some form of social media advertising. And again, that you have to just test that out. Self-starter mentality, strong sense of ownership, and an appetite for learning. Demonstrable success in improving account performance and direct response Facebook advertising and desire to champion. Similar online ad experience will be considered as well. Ability to uncover insights from data and use quantitative methods to answer questions and to find opportunities for optimization, a passion for marketing, desire to remain up to date with trends, familiarity with Facebook Ads Manager, Power Editor equivalent. Like right now, obviously, you guys know Power Editor doesn't exist anymore, so these are some qualifications that are outdated. So to give you an idea, right? These are some basic things that you're looking for, but the main thing is that you want to bring them into the training and just make sure that you give them those skills. Customer service team, good human relations skills for relating with customers effectively, good temperament in dealing with difficult customers. Trust me, Rain can tell you, we deal with them all the time. And it's not always easy. I always defend my guys because I know my guys are not perfect, but they work hard. So I know that. So when a customer or a student crosses the line, I don't tolerate that. I have a zero tolerance for people that are words that I don't want to explain, all right? Because there's no need to be like that. Absolutely no need. But you want to have somebody that is fast, that has a good communication skill, and doesn't make people wait around. Nothing drives me more crazy than a customer or a student trying to get some help and not getting help back. Nothing drives me more insane than that. So ability to multitask, attending to different customers, customer needs, ability to pay attention to detail in taking customers' orders and deliveries, as well as complaints, good phone etiquette in dealing with customers over the phone, right? So management experts, module 11, that's what it's all about, right? 6 months minimum, hands-on management messenger body automation experience. It's going to be difficult to get that. Self-starter mentality, strong sense of ownership, and an appetite for learning, ability to uncover insights from data and use quantitative methods to answer questions to find opportunities for optimization of the messenger channel, a passion for marketing, social advertising, and a positive attitude in all regards, a desire to remain up to date with trends, new features, and functionalities in messenger automation. Somebody has to be on the ball with messenger and constantly learning on ManyChat because it's such an evolving platform overall. So how to find the perfect staff? Well, there's no such thing, right? Hire staff fast and fire staff faster, all right? Hire fast, fire faster. Don't be afraid to hire and fire your staff. Always do a trial period of 2 weeks to test out, and you can let them know, hey, look, just so you know, we're going to be testing you out. We have to find out if you are a good fit for us and if we're a good fit for you. So we're going to test out how the new staff performs. If he or she does well, then we can have them on a regular basis. If not, then you can go ahead and fire him and repeat the process until you find the right candidate or candidates overall for all the different positions that you're looking for. So 50% of it is hiring the qualified staff, or 50% is training them and molding them to your business culture. At first, you need to work closely with new staff, especially if you're just getting started. Once you have a dozen staff, the culture, work ethics, and way of working is contagious and gets spread out into new staff. Guys, that is absolutely a fact. It is contagious. People in my organization, when they don't fit the mold, they quit fast themselves because we are a fast-moving, high-flying, action-paced organization, and if you don't move fast, or at least as close as everybody else possible, then you're not going to be able to make it on this organization.